Are you tired of messy, confusing research, wondering how AI like ChatGPT can actually help you do real research step by step? Well, in this video, I'll break down the entire research process, explained simply, and show you exactly how to use AI tools at each stage. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, stick around to learn how to research smarter, not harder. First, let's get clear. What is the research process? In simple words, it's a series of steps you follow to find answers, analyze information, and come to reliable conclusions. Instead of randomly Googling stuff, you have a clear plan. Most research processes have 5 to 7 core stages, so let's break them down and see where AI fits in. Step 1 is choosing a clear topic or problem to research. This might sound simple, but it's one of the most important parts. If your topic is too broad, you'll drown in information. If it's too narrow, you won't find enough material. So, how can AI help? Tools like ChatGPT are amazing for brainstorming ideas. They have studied almost entire public knowledge available on the internet. So just type in your field, for example, climate change, and ask for subtopics, trending questions, or specific angles you can focus on. Once you have a topic, step 2 is to define clear research questions or objectives. Good questions guide your entire project. For example, instead of climate change, your question might be, how does climate change affect coastal cities economically in the next 20 years? Again, AI can help refine your questions. You can ask ChatGPT to test if your question is too broad or suggest ways to narrow it down. Next, you gather information, books, articles, data, interviews, and more. This is where people get overwhelmed. So, how can AI help again? Use AI to generate a starter reading list or summarize complex papers. You can also use it to suggest keywords for database searches or to pull recent news articles on your topic. Remember, AI should not replace real sources, but it can speed up the boring parts and help you find credible material faster. All right, step 4. Analyze what you have found. This means comparing sources, finding patterns, or pulling out statistics. With AI, you can paste text and ask for key points, main arguments, or even a summary table. Some tools can generate simple charts too. Use AI to check your notes, organize ideas, and even spot gaps in your data. Finally, turn your research into a report, paper, presentation, or video. AI can help draft outlines, write sections in simple language, and format your citations correctly. But always double check the output. AI can make mistakes, especially with references. So think of AI as your assistant, not your final editor. Let's wrap up with 3 quick tips. Always verify AI answers with real sources. Don't copy AI outputs blindly. Use them as a starting point. And keep asking follow up questions. AI works best when you guide it step by step. So that's the complete research process and how AI can help you work faster and smarter at every stage. Note I have 2 related playlists on the channel Learn Awesome covering features of ChatGPT, which include some topics that came up during this video, and the other playlist on prompt engineering, which covers techniques like structuring output, avoiding errors, and more. Please do check these out. If you found this helpful, please hit like and consider subscribing to the channel. Drop your questions below and let's make research easier together. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.